Hey everybody, I just want to show you this just released 2023 Nissan Ariya Premier. This is the first one we have on the lot here. Has an 87 kilowatt hour battery, 238 horsepower motor, up to 289 miles of range. It's in a nice sunset copper color. As you can see, those rims right there work right with the paint scheme. Nice two-tone with the black roof, LED lights there in the front. Touchless keyless entry right in here. Take a good look inside the car. Nice leather seating in here. Nice open concept design up front. Passenger seat on this one is 8-way power adjustable. Going into the back seat of the car. Plenty of room back here. Also have rear heated seats and a double rear USB port. Nice, you can see more of that copper accent throughout the car. Go to the back of the car. Power activated liftgate. Step right back there. Cargo cover. As you can see, nice full-size cargo area here. Little hidden compartment. There's all your charging cords there for whatever level charger you have. Put that down, give you a nice look from the back. This one is the Premier Edition, usually only open to pre-orders. Nice profile shot. We'll head right into the driver's side of the car. As you can see, fully adjustable driver's seat right there. Has the memory controls right on the door. Hopping into the car here, you can see the rear view mirror is now a rear view camera. Up here you can see you have the navigation. Got that built right in for you. Has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Add your devices there. Go to all your music settings right here. Does have heated front seats and a heated steering wheel. You can see the controls right here. A little different design on the dash, not something you're going to be used to. All your climate controls are going to be built right into that wood paneling. They are haptic controls, so you always know when you've hit the button there. None of the just straight touching. Right down here you have your double cup holders. This is your center console, as you can see. Power adjustable. Find whatever fit's going to work best for you. Your USBs are right down here. Over here you have your drive mode selector, so you can do sport, eco, kind of configure your driving habits to what's going to work best for you. And then right here, the center console is also power. I'm going to close that right up for you. Alright, up here you have your fully digital dashboard. As you can see, you have tons of different options back here to customize your Ariya. Navigation, tire pressure check, all your different configurations for your charging. And those two little pink dots that you see are part of our ProPilot Assist 2.0 system. You're going to activate that right here from this blue button. Stay tuned for our second video to go over much more about what that has. This one does have all of the safety features for you in terms of blind spot monitoring, forward and rear emergency braking, all that stuff, help keep you safe. And as you can see right on the dashboard there, still has that nice heads-up display for you. This thing can get going pretty quick, so I personally need that. On top of the car, you do have that nice double panoramic moonroof. Alright everybody, hope you like my video. Stay tuned, we'll get that ProPilot one up as well so you can see all the great driving features of the car. Give us a call, 603-580-4598. We can set up a test drive for you. Have a good one.